There are many, many technical terms in Buddhism. And it's very important not to turn these into descriptions of essences or substances. We want to explore the Dharma teachings as a kind of self-massage or self-shiatsu. We find the knotted points in ourselves and we rub the Dharma into these points so that here and now becomes not just some funny idea, but something we live. So, in brief summary, dualistic consciousness is constellated around the delusion of an isolated individual self. And unborn awareness manifests without manifesting in its unborn integrity. By staying close to the immediate actuality of your life, this will become clear. It's not something to think about a lot. It's not something to worry about or analyze. I respond. We have hands which are so marvelous. We can even eat with chopsticks. We can eat with our hands. We can eat with knife and fork. All of these potentials exist in the fact that our hand is open and empty, and will come into momentary formation according to whether we have knife and fork or chopsticks. So this is how it is. We are responsive. Without any essence, just flowing out and flowing out always. Receiving and responding.